You've seen the rest, now it's time for you to try the best. If you've been looking for a way to improve your life and increase your cash flow, now is the time to make it happen. With us, there is zero selling, pitching, explaining, or closing because this is not MLM. Our two-step turnkey system works for you 24/7. Now, I know you may be wondering, is this real? Can I do this? Will someone show me how? The answer, very simply, is yes. But first, you must put your information to the right of the screen now. We'll see you on the inside.